like to say that a bill has been brought to Parliament, and I think yours is to look at the bill and to see if there are excesses or flaws in it, point them out. But the generality of the bill is what we are pursuing. As to some of what we call the dotting the I's and crossing the T's, that is why you are lawmakers. So we are not going to debate what the bill is supposed to have presented. The generality of the bill, which we support very strongly, is that homosexual activity is intrinsically disordered. And therefore, if it is intrinsically disordered according to our Christian beliefs, our Islamic beliefs, our traditional religious beliefs, and so on and so forth, you, our lawmakers, whom we have voted there, you have a responsibility and a duty to fashion the bill in such a way that you answer our sovereign aspirations. And I think that is a basis that we and you should not run away from. It's very important.